job, sweetheart. One arm.
Roro?
Good job. Roro's like sitting up.
Come get hippo. Come get hippo. Get hippo. Come on. That's right.
That's right.
Get hippo. Get hippo. Hey.
One arm.
Treasure.
She's just practicing her one arm move. Good job. You're getting closer to hippo. Oh, you got hippo.
You got hippo.
You got hippo. Good job. Good job. Oh. Oh. Yeah.
Almost sitting up, not quite yet.
Good job. Sitting up.
再过来一点，跟婆婆讲，过来。
Good job. She's really crawling.
Sitting up. Yeah, just about 90%.
Oh.
Yes.
She likes to balance with one arm up.
Oops.
Oh. There you go.
There you go.
There you go. There you go. Good work. Good work. Yeah. You're moving. You're definitely moving closer. You're moving closer.
Like a crab.
You are. You're moving to the side. Whatever works. Good job. You're moving all the way to Mommy. You got me.
Got Mommy's knee.
You got me. You got me.
Oops. Ah.
Yeah. Good work, sweetie. Oh.
She's trying to reach you. Oh my goodness.
You're almost there. You've moved a lot.
Oh my
You moved so much. You got Mommy. You got Mommy.
You got Mommy again.
You got Mommy again.
So hard.
Oh, you got Mommy. Yay.